my natural beauties, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be all about this luscious curly fro. I'm going to be showing you guys how I transform my natural hair from this dry brittle state to something a little bit more cute and curly and big, alright? And I did this in just 3 minutes. If you guys want the details on this hair, stay tuned, keep on watching, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up this video.
Something about me ambition, keep me on the money mission. Believe na me dreams, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down, na just me ambition. Ambition, keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition, ambition. Yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
Today's video is featuring CurlsCurls, which is an awesome wig company. They sent me this unit for review and I have to share it with you guys. This is the unboxing portion of the video. I'm just showing you guys what everything looks like straight in and out the pack. You will see a pamphlet with information about the company as well as details on the product that you ordered. Now, I received their crystal unit, and this is a kinky curly unit. It's virgin human hair. The color is a natural color, more like a 1B or a number 2. It features like a 3C/4A type curl pattern, and it's 16 inches. This is the inside of the cap. I'm just showing you guys the cap construction. It features 2 straps for security and also 3 combs. So this cap size is in a medium, and I must say it fit very well. All the wig details that I just mentioned will be in the description bar below. To prep the hair, I went ahead and washed it beforehand. I'm using my favorite shampoo at the moment, just squeezing a little bit of that into a basin and filling it with water. Now, I washed the hair for several reasons. The main reason being these stuff are created in bulk, so sometimes it gets a little dirty. I'm really glad I did wash it because after soaking it for a few minutes, I did realize that it actually needed to be washed. Also, I went ahead and did the wash because I wanted to test a theory, which is to see how the curls operate when they are wet. Now, after soaking it for a few minutes, I went ahead and I rinsed it with some water so that, I could get all the sud out of it and it was nice and clean. But you guys are going to see me show you basically a close-up of the curls when they are wet. And it is a kinky curly unit, so I think it's important to see what it looks like when it's actually wet versus in its dry state. I also wanted to test the theory of shedding, so as you guys can see, I'm pulling on the hair a little bit to see how much shed hair I got, and I have to say I was very impressed because usually it's way more than this. I only got a couple strands, so that's not that bad, right? But here is the curl pattern close up, and I'm just gonna allow it to air dry, give it a good shake, and then we're all good to go. Alright, so we can't work with this natural hair. I'm about to put it away. To install the unit, I just pull my hair back into a pony or like a little bun, and I'm gonna just put my stocking cap right on. I didn't slick it down because it wasn't necessary, and also if you guys notice, you will see I have a little bit of breakage. So that's why this CurlsCurls unit is very, very convenient. If you guys are struggling with your edges or anything like that, this is a really good unit to try because it mimics natural hair very well. Now, I was just showing you guys the straps that I was going to use to secure the unit to my head. And when I popped it on, I realized that because I washed it and I put it right in the box after it was dry, it was a little all over the place. So what I'm going to do is spritz it with some water, and I'm going to be using my Zimmy Curls gel to get the shape of the unit back. Now, I hope this can help someone because sometimes you just throw your wigs down, but this really was to get the shape of the hair back. It did end up altering the curls a little bit, but it wasn't major. I just wanted to brush it back in shape and just kind of get a shape for it that framed my face. So as we keep going, you guys will see it kind of falls into place. I'm just using my scissors to snip away anything that may, kind of take the look away from what I actually want. So all you're really gonna do is cut and shape as you desire. And that's it. And this is what we have, guys. This is how long the unit is, stretching it to show you. And also this is the view from the back, very nice and full, and I love it. You guys know I'm a sucker for big hair. I love big hair. So yeah, this actually came out really cute, and I didn't even have to do a lot. Hey babes, okay, so you guys know I had to come and give you the tea about this hair. Now first things first, let me say thank you for CurlsCurls for sending me this unit, and also for being so patient with me because it took me a while to like get around to making the video. However, all right, I am in love. Like, y'all know I don't ever be doing anything with any bangs, and I love this. What I did was I washed it, air dried it, and then I put it up for a couple days, and then I took it back out just now to put it on to make the video for you guys. So this is literally minimal effort, nothing. You just take it out and you go. And guys, look at that curl pattern. Like, look at that. Are you serious? Look at this curl pattern. So realistic. But let me tell you guys what really impressed me about this unit. The main two things that impressed me about this unit is, one, how affordable it is, and two, the fact that despite all that I've already done, I've washed it, it has dried. Normally my experiences with wigs that I've purchased or received before now, there has been shedding. I have not had any shedding, and I don't know if it's maybe I'm not manipulating it enough. Normally after you wash something, shed hair should come out, and I didn't receive any shedding. I don't know, but I think that's pretty impressive. Starting price is $135. I do have a discount code for you guys if you wish to make a purchase. I'm gonna be having it in the description bar and also right here. That discount code gets you a couple dollars off your purchase. These type of units are just very beginner friendly. If you want something easy, literally grab and go, this is you right here. And the fact that it mimics natural hair texture so much, like, sis, I'm trying to see if I can pull the bangs out, like pull the bangs back and do like some type of, like a different type of part or something, because y'all know I don't be messing with bangs like that. But I'm trying to see if I want to switch it up, if I could, and I probably could. Okay, all right, we got a little side part going on right here. Yeah, this is more me right here. There we go. Of course, the more you adjust the wig, the more you'll have to kind of shape it to frame your face the way you want. If you want the bang to be higher, you can pull the wig back. Like, I just love how versatile this unit is, and I am in love. So you guys know I'm going to be rocking this for the next couple weeks. I am going to be sharing a video with you guys that I found when I was trying to look for inspiration to make my video. And there's this YouTuber. She literally showed the different ways you can wear the wig. Like, she did like a ponytail, she did a bun. It was so cool. I'm gonna have her link in the description bar because it was definitely inspirational. Literally the fastest install you guys have ever seen. It took literally 3 minutes. Steps are very simple. You can literally grab it right out the box and put it on. With the definition of these curls, however, I didn't want to disrupt them, so I decided to leave them as is, because girl, like, if I were to do a twist out, the curl pattern would definitely change and it wouldn't look like this, and I'm in love with this, so I decided to keep it as is. All the information for CurlsCurls will be in the description bar below. I want you guys to go ahead and check them out. Go on the website, see all the options that they have, because these aren't the only units that they have. Thanks so much for watching this video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.